Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into H&R Block for real estate investment tax filing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in H&R Block login. Press the enter key to navigate to the H&R Block website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. On the login page, you'll see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check both entries for accuracy, as mistakes can prevent access. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After confirming your email and password, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the Tax Center or My Account section. In this section, find the option for real estate investment tax filings. Click on the relevant link to begin the filing process. Follow the instructions provided to enter your real estate investment details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid future complications. After completing your filing, review all entries carefully. Once satisfied, proceed to submit your tax filing. You will receive a confirmation email upon successful submission. If you encounter any issues, consider using the customer support options available on the site. Remember to log out after completing your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.